Cam. 472 lift.
So we'll see.
163, 187 TDs. The intake's got a weird angle to it. It's real low lift. That means it's advanced probably quite a bit. More for low end torque. There's some crappy ass springs. Let's see, short. Are these short springs?
I don't know.
It says short. Are you short?
Well, I am kind of short.
Must be a little short. This is for about 5 valve motor.
Yeah.
So we can pick the shortest ones if we need it.
Right.
Choose your Crane products. And kibble keepers and Eastern colors. Got a little bit of everybody here.
Just sharing the love.
That's right, passing it around. The knife is so sharp. Look at it. You just cut that plastic. There, that's cut good. Oh, we only got 4 of those.
Oh.
Appears these have not been butchered yet. Good sharp. Look at a nice sharp edge there. Good old American-made lives. Quality. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is figure out if these are going to work or not. So this is what brand?
Kibble what?
Crane.
Crane. Forgot.
Kibble.
Kibble was fine.
It doesn't stick, but it's pretty tight. It's not really wobbling either. So that's good. That means I match up pretty close. That's a good sign. That's always a big plus. Alright, what's our install price on these things? What's your coil bind on these things? Got any of those numbers?
Not yet.
Not yet. How come we got 4 lowers? No, 2 uppers. A little lower. Let's see an upper. Okay, these are going to get butchered. These need to get checked. They need a measuring stick. And we go over here this way. Don't walk into those handles. It hurts it right when you get the sunny kidneys.
Yeah.
This is my kidney operation.
Prefer not.
For free. Okay, springs go over here. Figure out what we need. These go over here. Do some butchering. These are pretty lightweight. Look how thin those are. Harley's are real thick ones. Those are thin. Who made these?
Kibble.
Eastern.
Eastern.
Garbage. Well, that's the quality products. See how good they are. Not exactly hard. Seal clearance. Pretty thin. Must be high lift. We got a wobble in it. those things aftermarket. They skip the heat treating process. It's a very hard one. So they look. That's what they make pinkies for. It's the only reason you have them on your hand.
The perfect tool for it.
Holds alcohol.
Right.
No other use. If I had my sweatshirt on there, it wouldn't stick so bad. This is a chip magnet. Every chip in the world sticks to it. Alright, those are definitely really thin. Alright, hit full string. So that means your valves can be even higher than normal, probably. We'll see. So we're going to measure the height between here and here. Man, down there a long ways. You're way down there. Yep. About 820. Need a caliper. Let's see if the caliper agrees with my scale. No. 827. Got retarded eyeballs. Losing my accuracy. Okay, what number's that?
827.
We'll call it 30. Easy to remember. Of course, I remember 27. Okay. Looks like 15 to me. It was 18, but now it's at 20. 18. What was that one?
27.
What's the difference?
9.
Well, pretty good. Good education. So that's crap, that's good. 880 used to be the normal, way below that.
Wow.
These are really low. Those lower collars are pretty good. Let's back up high again. Not really. 821, 822. Call it 22. So what do you got now?
18, 22, and 27.
Damn. Good memory too. two. Got two at home now.
Mm-hmm.
Those two match. See, normally the inner spring coil binds and the outer one barely does. You got a big gap. See, now we're probably coil bind on the outer one. That's why they're going in deeper. Which means the collars are different heights. Ew, this one sucks. Big. It's 31. It's 32.
Well,
So that one goes here. There you go. You memorize all those numbers now?
mm-hmm. 18, 22, 22, 27, 32.
31 and a half.
Wow.
Actually.
So we're running up.
So this is our oddball one. These are your two intakes, these are two exhausts. And we need this, if we have one bad one, we got this one if we need it. Shouldn't need it. So, go like that. So these average out at 30, and these were 25. Easy to remember. Even though we know they're a little bit different. Okay. Here's a regular collar. So what's different in these? 206. Not much different there. There's 112, 114, 95, 93. There's a difference there. So that's 10 thou difference there. Two, 63. Told you there was 10.
Mm-hmm.
So we lost 10 from here to here. Or no, we had more here than we had 10. This was what, 15 thou deeper, and it's also 20 thou thinner. So you gained 30 thou. So instead of being at 820, 830 like we're at it now, normally we're out there 860, 880. That's what we gained it at.
Right.
That collar is made differently than stock. So if I put these in a bike that have limited travel, it will give me what I need.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of using a Harley one. So now I know those help me. Put that in the back of my head. So when I have a coil bind issue,
Right.
just
You
swap
can drop
that.
down to, yeah.
Swap that collar in. Or I can go over there and grind the Manly one over there that is plus 50. Which does the same thing. So the higher the valves are on the head here, the better the flow will be out of both sides. And also it raises the compression up.
Mm-hmm.
That makes it run better. So it's a plus. The negatives if they hit each other.
Right.
You know, if your TD is too high,
Mm-hmm.
you have a problem. See, your TD is low, you got 163, so you're down 20 thou, 25 thou from that. You gained a bunch of room in that one, when that sunk 25. So now the valves, instead of coming hitting each other, you're way down here.
Right.
You got a lot of clearance. So it helps you a lot. On this particular cam. If you go to a different cam, there are different numbers.
Right, right.